Edward?
I'm here. Hi, I have something for you.
Namiss kong binibigyan mo ako nito, ah.
Well, you know what? I miss you more. And I want to make up for all the time that I was away. Pero feeling ko lang, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko, parang kulang pa rin.
You don't have to do anything. Just be here. With me. Sobra-sobra na yun. And syempre, let me take care of you. Teka, bakit ka nga ba nandito? Hindi ba dapat nagpapahinga ka?
I also need to make it up to my clients, Grace, at sa lahat ng trabaho na napabayaan ko. Kailangan ko na pumasok sa office.
Kaya mo na ba?
I think so. Sabi naman ng doktor, walang complications. Teka lang ha, ikaw, why are you dressed for work?
Edward, gusto ko na rin sanang pumasok. Matagal na rin kaming nagtatago nila nanay mula nung nawala ka. Pero sana, tuloy pa rin ang buhay. Lalo na ngayon, kasama na ulit tayo.
Ganun rin yung gusto ko. I want to make up for lost time. And you know what? Let's put this down. Okay, let me put this down. Hey. I want to make up for lost time. And I almost forgot, Grace, yung kasal natin.
You forgot.
I didn't forget. Kailangan na natin paghandaan yun. I know marami pa akong kailangan gawin. Pero unang-una sa priority ko is our wedding. I'm sorry, Grace. I can't wait one more year. I want to marry you right away. Eh kung pwede nga, ngayon na gawin natin. Let's go!
Edward, yan din ang gusto ko.
Really? Right now then?
Hindi ko naman kailangan ng malaki o bonggang kasal. I just want to be with you.
Okay. Then now it is. Okay then. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part, Grace Evangelista.
Siguraduhin mo lang natutuparin mo yung mga sinabi mo, ha? Dahil pag ako, hindi mo pinakasalan.
Hey, I promise. I really, really promise.
Edward, bakit? Ha? Ano nangyari?